What's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you guys how to make spawnable fireballs for your PvP map or just as a cool ability to have. And let's just get to it. Alright, first give yourself a command block. Then put game rule, command block output false. Next you want to do take an area, add circle tilde 4. And last but not least, we're going to make a scoreboard. We're going to do objectives, add, fireball, and dummy. Alright, that should be it. Alright, our first command block, we're going to put repeating, always active. And we're going to put execute as addy type equals fireball. And then run, scoreboard, players, add s, fireball, 1. Leave the delay in ticks to 0. So it'll be counting every tick, and we're going to use this command block to determine the lifespan of the firewall. Alright, next command block, we're going to put repeating, always active again. This time we're going to do execute as @e type equals item name equals fireball @s unless entity @e type equals fireball r equals 2. After that, we're going to put positioned, and these upward arrow things, I don't really know what they're called. Then we're going to put 2.5, so it's going to be 2.5 blocks forward. Then we're going to do run, structure, load, fireball, and tilde, and we're going to put 3 right here. Alright, after you made that command, we're going to actually crouch, pick block, copy with data, and we're going to place it, and make sure both of these arrows are facing up. Then we're going to turn this into a conditional chain command block. Then we're going to get rid of this whole structure command at the end here, and we're going to get rid of the positioned argument. And we're also going to change the unless to if in the radius of 5. And then we're going to put play sound, mob, blaze, shoot at all, and tilde 1 1. After we're done with that command, we're going to crouch and pick block this command, and we're going to place it on top of this, and it copies all the commands inside. Then we're going to delete the whole play sound command and replace it with kill @s. Alright, we're going to grab a repeating command block, place it next to it, make sure it's always active, and we're going to put execute as @e type equals fireball, and we're going to do scores, and then we're going to put scores equals fireball equals 400 ... @s run play sound random click at all tilde 1 and 1.5. So this basically, when the scoreboard is counted 400 ticks, which also equals 20 seconds, it should play a sound. And yeah, and if you're wondering what these numbers mean, the number at the end here is pitch, and this one is distance or volume. So we're going to make this 1.5, so it's going to be slightly higher than the normal sound. Okay, after that, we're going to crouch, pick block that, then we're going to place it on top of that command, and we're going to turn this to conditional chain, and we're going to change the 400 to 600. We're going to change the random sound from click to fizz, and then we're going to set that last number to 1. Alright, and we're already done with this command block. Actually, before we start another command, I made a mistake. We're going to leave this repeating and unconditional. So make sure these two are both repeating. Alright. Then we can duplicate this top command block. So crouch, pick block, cops with data, place it on top of that one. And then we can actually change it to the chain. And in this command block, we're gonna replace 600 with 605. We can delete @s, and we're gonna replace the play sound command with kill @s. So basically these two commands determine the lifespan of the fireball. So after 30 seconds, it should die out, because these things don't despawn, they just exist in your world forever. So having a lifespan kind of system helps your performance. Alright, next give yourself a structure block, and we're going to grab ourselves a repeating command block, and we're going to put it always active, repeating. So this is giving a temporary command block right here, and we're going to put TP @e type equals fireball tilde and 1.5, like that. Also, I forgot one thing. The play sound random click command block right here at the bottom, we're going to put the delay in ticks to 5. So now we can place a structure block on top of this one. Then you can just copy these dimensions, these size and offset. I'm going to rename this to fireball, and we're going to toggle remove blocks, so it's only going to copy the entity. Next, we're going to put our game mode to survival. Then we're gonna summon a ghast. You can use a spawn egg or the summon command, whatever works. Alright, as you can see, it's teleported the fireball right into a structure block. Alright, you can go ahead and save this now. You no longer need the fireball and the ghast, so you can just kill at E. Then you can grab yourself a anvil and whatever item you want. But just because the fire charge resembles the fireball the most, I'll be using that. And we're going to be just renaming it to fireball. And that's pretty much it. So you can just drop it. Oh yeah, I forgot. And that's basically it. So you can grab your fireball item and drop it, and it should summon a fireball right in front of you. As you can see, it stays put, but all you have to do is just punch it. Just like that. If you don't want it breaking blocks, you can just do game rule, mob griefing false. Now it doesn't break. You can also spawn a multiple of these at once. Doesn't matter. You can also slowly push it with your body, just like that. After it's been spawned for 20 seconds, it'll make this clicking sound. And it'll make a fizz sound. So that's basically like a warning that's gonna die out soon. Alright, that's basically it for the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, and why not drop a sub? It helps, it motivates me, and we're gonna smash this goal of 500 subscribers. Also, all commands are linked in the description, so go check them out so you can just copy and paste. And also feel free to join the Discord. I have a Hunger Games map coming out soon, and I'll be streaming it and playing it with viewers, so keep an eye out for that. Alright, so that's basically it, so I'll see you later.